Good afternoon. Nice to meet you all. My name is Noor. I'm part of the Learning and Development team at the Career Center here at HKUST. So a big warm welcome to all of you who are sitting here and also all the students who are sitting in LTB and LTC. So I'm here today to share some of the things that we offer from the Career Center that you can find support. So you can actually find us through Lift 4. I don't know if you have seen much around already, but Lift 4 is near Starbucks. So you basically see Starbucks and then cross it and you'll find Lift 4. And we have an online job board, which is actually really good because some members in my team, actually, they vet all the jobs. So we also have a list of blacklisted employers in case, so if the job is fake or real, you don't have to worry about that on our online job board. We do recruitment events, which are employers coming to campus to introduce their companies, and I highly encourage you all to join it. Then we do career consultations. I'll show you our career advisors a bit later. And we have a lot of career development programs, and we do 2 courses. One is a career building course and Design Your Life. So these are our career advisors. And you can see the focus and the industries are mentioned here. But apart from these, there's something that I would like to share with you, that in the month of September, we have invited 4 industry professionals, career coaches from the industry. And you can book their appointment from the Career Center's website. And they are definitely getting booked really quickly. So just in a day or 2, please make use of that. Yeah, that's the picture of the online job board that I was just sharing a while ago. Career Mosaic. Career Mosaic is our career fair. And very interestingly, I think this is I can easily say one of the best career fairs happening in Hong Kong in the universities. We also see a lot of students from other universities coming to attend our career fair because more than 200 employers usually come twice a year. And this is a great opportunity for you to meet the employers and get insights from what is really happening in their companies, what kind of jobs they're looking for. I'll show you a video later, but it happens. So have you seen the Atrium? Basically, we use Atrium 5 days. The next one is going to happen from October 12th, the week of October 12th. So it's pretty near. Another thing to just wanted to add here, that before the career fair, we actually print a booklet. And the booklet has a print version and also digital version on our website. And it has the list of all the employers who are coming, which day they are coming, what are they looking for? Are they looking for an internship position or a graduate position? So it's all listed there. What you have to do is identify the ones that you want to meet, circle them, and then put that in your calendar, right? So you don't forget. And we do a lot of career development programs. The one on the left, professional portrait taking, this one is happening next week. I think you might have already gotten the email. If you have a LinkedIn account, do you have a LinkedIn account? Yeah. And if, let's say, for example, you don't have a professional headshot and you're worrying about, which photo to kind of upload, I know even a lot of senior professionals that I meet, they don't even have photos uploaded because it's something that we all want to have our best photos up there. So this is an opportunity for you. A professional photographer will be there. I think it's very some $100 or something, which is literally nothing compared to what's outside. So we offer a lot of different other workshops, CV, cover letter, job markets. There are some alumni consultations happening in residence halls as well. And the top one is really interesting. The middle top, it's makeup, skincare, and hairstyling. It's been happening for the last 2 years. It's very interesting. So if you would like to be part of it. So this is our email, phone number, LinkedIn. Please follow our LinkedIn account. And YouTube has some testimonial videos from previous students. So, you know, how they found jobs and their career journeys. So one thing that I would like to add here is that I'm emphasizing on LinkedIn again, but use that to look at other people's career journeys. Because this is how you will grow. You have to have some sort of role model in your mind to, it's not that exactly you follow their career journey, but you get inspirations from them. I have a couple of master coaches that I look up to, I'm following for the next 5 to 10 years of my career. And it's actually a great thing to use. Yeah, this is the video that I would like to show you. Thank you very much.